Myself, JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Educational Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZVC 6th semester. We will discuss the topic prawn fisheries, prawn farming and preservations. The process of prawn culture is to convert ponds, tanks, estuaries and marine coastal water into productive places is known as prawn fisheries. There are two processes of prawn farming: traditional methods and intensive methods. Okay, traditional processes: ponds situated near estuaries and brackish water are selected. A suitable environment for prawn development like depth, salinity, nature of soil are created in accounts. Next, ponds are attached to outer water by sluice gates. Okay. Next, intensive methods of prawn fisheries. This method is used in Japan based on modern techniques of rearing and spawnings. Mature male and female are released in small concrete tanks containing artificial environments, and temperature and oxygen concentrations maintained artificially by aerations. Okay, and adults are removed after spawning. Early larval stage are fed by phytoplanktons, and this methods is more productive than traditional methods. Okay, preservation and processing. It is dependent on distance to which prawns have to be transported: short distance and long distance. Short distance, it is if the distance is short, prawns are packed between layers of ice either entirely or after removing cephalothoraxes. Okay, less beneficial methods: risk for financial loss due to decompositions. Next, long distance. For long time preservation, two methods are used. Firstly, semi-drying methods. It is more beneficial and popular methods. The taste and flavor are retained in this methods. In this method, prawns are boiled in 6% brine or for 2 minutes. After removal, the shell prawns are dipped in saturated salt solution for 30 minutes. Process is then followed by drying in the sun till the flesh gets too hard. Okay. Next, total drying methods. In this process, either entire prawns are only shell removed are dried in sun for several days, and in some places prawns are boiled before drying. Finally, they are packed in polythene bags or for marketing. Other methods: freezing proceed and transported in air conditioned vehicles placed in deep freezers. Okay. Next is smoking. It is antiseptics in action because of containing phenolic constituents. Process depend on of time intensity and types of smoke to which prawns are subjected. Next, canning. Cut the slice subjected to salting, drying and treated with spicy pastes. Packed in wooden boxes containing salts. Boxes are covered with tin plates. Preservatives may also added for preservations. Thank you.